How amazing would it be if the whole world was like one big mall, and we could shop or sell anything, anywhere, and to anyone? Decades ago, this would have seemed like a stupid dream and something so immensely impossible. But the times have changed, and now we don't even bother stepping out to get some groceries these days. We can buy or sell anything to anyone, because of that one stupid dream, a world like one big mall, and dreams like these were responsible for many revolutions uplifting mankind. One of them was the invention of e-commerce companies in the world. Hello, and welcome back to another informative video by the USA Leaders. In this video, we will check the top 5 e-commerce companies in the world, which are the building blocks and made it to the wall of game changers. Number 1. Amazon. Not surprisingly, this list starts with Amazon at the top, as it rules over the e-commerce market worldwide. An American technology company founded in 1994, Amazon initially started as an online marketplace for books. Now, it has grown to become the world's largest retail chain. Amazon by far is the most visited e-commerce site in the US, crossing up to 2.4 billion in May 2022. Apart from that, it is also operational in 19 other countries. Number 2. eBay. Founded in 1995, eBay ranks second on our list. It is the world's leading consumer-to-consumer marketplace and business-to-consumer retail company. It has over 138 million buyers globally and delivers its services in about 190 countries and territories around the world. As a result, eBay achieved huge traffic of 758.5 million views in December. Number 3. Alibaba Group Holding Ltd. This Chinese dragon is a mega company that tops our list, as it is a well-known multinational B2B e-commerce service provider. It provides services for both suppliers and buyers, such as B2B trading. The Alibaba Group was founded in the year 1999 and now is operating in more than 200 countries. With over $109.48 billion of revenue, Alibaba now dominates the e-commerce market. Presenting opportunities worldwide to buyers and sellers, it has translated its website into 18 different languages. Number 4. Target. Established in 1962 in Minneapolis, Target has grown to become one of the largest retailers in the United States, with about 1,938 stores. With the acquisition of Shipt, which was a grocery delivery startup in 2017, it ventured into e-commerce. That allowed Target to facilitate same-day delivery. Target sells products of all categories, from groceries to household items to electronics. Through the combined effect of the Target app and Target.com, it is now slowly gaining ground in the e-commerce scenario. Number 5. Walmart. Walmart was launched in Rogers, Arkansas, in 1962 and now is an American multinational retail chain that operates 10,500 stores. Walmart is spread over 24 countries around the globe. In 2021, its online marketplace experienced a sharp increase in the number of third-party sellers. E-commerce is expanding and is expected to become even bigger in the years to come. More people are embracing the convenience and benefits that companies can offer. It has also given online retailers a chance to open up more, leveraging technologies to improve their scale and accessibility. We hope this list of the top e-commerce companies in the world helps you get a sneak peek into their stories of success. Thank you for watching it till the end. Do not forget to like and share the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful videos.